Welcome back to Autocar News. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a legend reborn, the 2026 McLaren F1. The original F1, launched in 1992, was a groundbreaking machine, redefining what a road car could be. With its central driving position, naturally aspirated V12, and record-breaking top speed of 240 mph, it became an icon. But now, McLaren is back with a modern interpretation of this legendary supercar, promising cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing performance, and a return to its roots. McLaren has been teasing this car for a while, and now that it's finally here, it's safe to say, it does not disappoint. This isn't just another hypercar, it's a statement. A machine built for pure driving pleasure, engineering perfection, and the kind of exclusivity that only a handful of people in the world will ever experience. Let's start with the design. McLaren has taken inspiration from the original F1 while pushing boundaries with modern aerodynamics. The car maintains its iconic three-seat layout, with the driver sitting in the center. This setup isn't just about nostalgia, it's about balance, visibility, and the purest driving experience possible. Every curve and surface of the car is sculpted for aerodynamics, with active aero elements that adapt in real time to optimize downforce and efficiency. The front end is sharp and aggressive, with ultra-thin LED headlights, massive air intakes, and a stance that screams performance. Around the back, a large active wing pays homage to the long-tail versions of the original F1, providing both stability at high speeds and a stunning visual presence. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The original McLaren F1 was powered by a naturally aspirated 6.1L BMW V12, a masterpiece in its own right. But times have changed, and so has technology. The 2026 McLaren F1 features a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V8, developed in-house by McLaren, producing over 1,200 horsepower. Unlike the McLaren P1, which leaned heavily on electric power for torque fill, the new F1's hybrid system is primarily focused on performance enhancement, with ultra-lightweight battery technology ensuring that it remains agile and responsive. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and has a top speed well over 250 mph, making it one of the fastest road cars ever built. But power is nothing without control. The chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring a next-generation carbon fiber monocoque that is lighter and stronger than anything McLaren has ever produced. Suspension is fully active, adapting to road conditions in real time, giving the driver a perfect balance between comfort and track-ready stiffness. And let's not forget about the tires. Custom-developed Michelin high-performance rubber designed to maximize grip while maintaining road usability. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit like no other. The central seating position puts you in the perfect spot for total control, with a fully digital instrument cluster wrapping around you, providing all the information you need in a sleek, futuristic display. Unlike many modern hypercars that overload the dashboard with touchscreens, McLaren has kept it minimalist, with physical controls for essential functions and a small, perfectly positioned screen for secondary information. The steering wheel is Formula One inspired, with controls for various driving modes, aero settings, and even an IDC-style boost for high-speed runs. McLaren has also gone to great lengths to keep weight down. The new F1 doesn't have massive speakers, luxury features, or unnecessary tech that adds bulk. Instead, it focuses on the essentials: lightweight carbon fiber seats, a stripped-down interior, and materials chosen purely for performance. Even the hybrid system's batteries are mounted low in the chassis to keep the center of gravity as low as possible. One of the most exciting things about the 2026 McLaren F1 is its exclusivity. McLaren is producing only 106 units, just like the original. That means even if you have the money, getting one will be nearly impossible. Each car is built to order, with full customization options allowing owners to create something truly unique. From exposed carbon fiber finishes to bespoke interior materials and colors, no two cars will be exactly alike. But with a car like this, the numbers only tell part of the story. The real magic happens when you get behind the wheel. Early test drives have described the experience as nothing short of breathtaking. The combination of insane power, lightweight construction, and razor-sharp handling makes the new F1 one of the most engaging driving experiences ever. McLaren has stayed true to the philosophy of the original: no unnecessary distractions, just pure, raw driving pleasure. So, what does this mean for the future of supercars? While many manufacturers are moving toward fully electric hypercars, McLaren has proven that there is still room for a high-performance